Namaste. Welcome to your prenatal asana series. We are going to practice Ekapada Vriksha Asana, also known as one leg tree pose. Now, one leg tree pose, this pose is absolutely safe to be practiced in all trimesters. In minor condition, you can take care, just such as if there is an ankle pain, existing ankle pain, or existing knee pain in the body, then this posture can be avoided. Otherwise, this is absolutely safe. There are certain conditions, maybe in first, second, third, or any trimester during all trimesters, depending on the bodily condition of each woman. As this is a balancing asana, there are times when she can be feeling low, or having low blood pressure, or feeling dizziness, or feeling too much weakness. In that case, I suggest to only give them light asanas and not to suggest balancing asanas. Balancing asanas ask for a lot of strength and focus from the person. And if the body is already feeling imbalanced, and as the center of gravity shifts for the women during the pregnancy, it can be difficult for them to balance. But if they are otherwise in healthy condition, we can help them practice this asana by using certain supports, like using chair, like using wall support. So you need to assess the condition of each woman individually and understand their body better to know if they're able to perform this asana and whether it will be helpful in the present condition or not. Balancing asanas are absolutely powerful asanas to strengthen the nervous system, to regulate the nervous system. During the pregnancy time, women go through a lot of emotional turmoils, ups and downs. And hence there is a lot of deregulation of the nervous system. There is consistent stressors boggling down the entire nervous system. If we help her with certain asanas in which it helps her strengthen and regulate the nervous system, when mental stress attacks her in different various situations, or when she is preparing for her labor time and she's fearful and anxious, this balancing asanas can actually train her body in advance to regulate in such conditions. So, tree pose is one of the balancing asanas, and it is very much helpful in order to help her regulate. Also, it increases her brain and body balance coordination. So usually in the prenatal period, we also tend to lose our brain and body coordination. And hence it can feel a little unlike of ourselves if women are already very active or very intelligent in her expression of life. She can feel that her coordination is going out. So this asana is wonderful to practice even when she's feeling out of balance within her and she don't know the reason. Now, physically, this asana helps us strengthen her leg, knees, ankles, and opens the pelvic area. And after practicing it, there can be a feeling of slight lightness in the body. So this is a perfect asana for someone trying to learn to rebalance and regulate once again. So the way we practice this, I'm in my third trimester, 9th month. So I am going to take the wall support to make you understand as the belly weight grows, the balance of the body goes out. Hence, specifically in the third trimester, try to use the wall, try to not put too much of pressure on their body. Only allow as much as they can take. So the way we practice, in the first 2 trimester, if the support is not required, you can allow the women to do it without support. In 3rd trimester, please suggest them to take the support, even if they feel healthy. That is fine. So, coming onto the wall, and then the basic version, which can be practiced by even someone who has never practiced balancing asanas, is this. You slightly place your one foot on the calf muscle of the other leg. And once you feel balanced here, you can slightly come into Namaste. And long and deep breathing here. please tell them the idea is to regulate within. The idea is to relax in each asana. Stiram Sukham Asanam. That is the purpose of yoga, and that is what they are here for. The idea is not to do any asana perfectly, but the idea is to breathe in and relax and train the body to be able to relax in each asana. And because when the life challenges come in, we can do the same unconsciously. The body learns to regulate, body learns to balance, hence your behavior and mind also learns the same. And exhaling, releasing. Basic version. The real Ekapada Vrikshasana is actually you keeping one feet on the thigh of the other leg. So the way we practice this, taking the wall support gently, just place your one feet on the other thigh. Once the placement is very important in this asana, once the placement is done and once feels comfortable, then you can try to bring your hand into Namaste. Usually in the first 2 trimester, if the woman is comfortable, you can suggest without support. But if they are not, please tell them to take wall support. And if they can, lift back their support, come out from the wall for a while, try to balance without the wall. That is also a good practice. Long and deep breathing and relaxing and releasing gently. Last variation is depending on the comfort of the women and the students that you have, their bodily condition at particular time. Please suggest this asana or variation to someone who is a regular practitioner. Now in this one, please take care if there is existing ankle pain, please do not suggest this variation. Otherwise, it's safe for everyone to practice. Now in this variation, we place the feet of the other leg over the thigh of the other leg. So the way we practice this is this. Now trying to place the feet somewhere and take a few breaths here. And gently releasing. This is Ekapada Vrikshasana. Except very minor few things and accept the personal comfort of each woman, this is safe to be practiced in most conditions in pregnancy. And it has so many benefits that can help the women in the prenatal phase. Thank you.